Lesson 1. Greetings. Hello. How are you today? I'm fine. Thank you. How about you? I'm good. Thanks. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Yes, it is. By the way, what's your name? My name is Chao B. What's your name? I am Tomba. Nice to meet you, Tomba. Where are you from? Nice to meet you too, Chao B. I'm from Imphal. How about you? I am from Manipur too. It's great to meet someone from the same place. Lesson 2. Describing people. What does your best friend look like? My best friend has brown hair and brown eyes. He is tall and thin. He also has a big smile and loves to play sports. That sounds nice. What kind of sports does he play? He loves playing football and basketball. He is very fast and a great team player. What about your teacher? My teacher has black hair and wears glasses. She is short and has a kind face. She always makes sure we understand the lessons and helps us when we need it. A good teacher makes learning so much easier. Lesson 3. Describing objects. Can you describe your favorite toy? Sure. My favorite toy is a red car. It's small and fast. I love playing with it and racing it against my friends' toys. That sounds fun. Do you have any other favorite toys? Yes. I also love my stuffed bear. It's soft and cuddly, and I sleep with it every night. What about your favorite book? My favorite book is about a dragon. It's full of colorful illustrations and has big, shiny pages that I love to flip through. The story is about a dragon who goes on adventures and meets new friends. That sounds exciting. I love books with adventure stories. Lesson 4. Family. How many people are in your family? I have a mom, a dad, and a younger brother. We are a happy family and love spending time together. That's nice. What are their names? My mom's name is Mary, my dad's name is John, and my brother's name is David. They're all great, and I'm lucky to have them in my life. What do you enjoy doing together? We love watching movies, playing board games, and going on picnics. It's always fun to spend time together. Lesson 5. Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I love playing soccer and reading books. Playing soccer helps me stay active, and I love the feeling of scoring a goal. Reading books takes me on adventures, and I learn new things every time I read. That's great. What kind of books do you like? I enjoy mystery and fantasy books. They keep me entertained and excited to know what happens next. What about your friend? My friend likes drawing and playing the piano. She is really talented and loves to create beautiful drawings and play beautiful music. It's amazing to see her talents come to life. Lesson 6. Food. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. It's my favorite food. I love the taste of the melted cheese and the different toppings you can choose from. That sounds delicious. What kind of toppings do you like on your pizza? I like pepperoni, cheese, and mushrooms on my pizza. It's the perfect combination of flavors for me. Do you like any other foods? Yes. I also love ice cream, noodles, and spicy curry. Each has a unique taste that I enjoy. Lesson 7. Weather. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm today. The sun is shining, and it's a perfect day to go outside and play. That sounds nice. Do you like sunny weather? Yes, but I also like rainy days. I enjoy watching the rain from my window and listening to the sound of raindrops. What's your favorite type of weather? My favorite type of weather is a sunny day with a cool breeze. I love feeling the warm sun on my skin and the cool breeze on my face. It makes me feel relaxed and happy. Lesson 8. Animals. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. They are cute and playful. I love playing with them, and they always make me smile. Dogs are great. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a small brown dog named Bruno. He loves to run around and play fetch. What about your best friend's favorite animal? My best friend's favorite animal is a cat. They are fluffy and cuddly. She loves how they can be independent, but also affectionate when they want to be. She finds them to be great companions and loves spending time with her cats. Lesson 9. Numbers. What's your favorite number? My favorite number is 5. I like the way it looks, and I think it's a lucky number. That's interesting. Why do you think it's lucky? I don't know exactly, but I always seem to have good things happen when the number 5 is involved. Can you count from 1 to 10 for me? Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting is an important skill and it helps me keep track of things. Great job. Can you count backward from 10? Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's fun to practice counting in different ways. Lesson 10. Places. Where do you like to go on vacation? I like to go to the beach on vacation. I love playing in the sand, swimming in the ocean, and building sandcastles. The beach is a great place to relax and have fun. That sounds amazing. Do you go often? Yes, we go every summer. It's my favorite part of the year. What about your friend? My friend likes to go to the mountains on vacation. She loves hiking, exploring nature, and breathing in the fresh mountain air. The mountains are a peaceful and beautiful place, and she loves spending time there. That's wonderful. Traveling to different places is a great experience. Lesson 11. Emotions. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling really happy today. I had a lot of fun playing with my friends. Why are you so happy? We played soccer in the park and I scored the winning goal. Have you ever felt really excited about something? Yes. Last week I won a school competition and I was super excited. What do you do when you feel sad? I talk to my best friend or listen to music. It helps me feel better. What makes you angry? When someone is rude or unfair, it makes me really angry. How do you calm down when you are angry? I take deep breaths and try to think about something positive. Have you ever felt nervous? Yes. Before my speech at school, my hands were shaking. How do you feel when someone surprises you? I feel shocked at first, but then I usually feel happy and excited. What is an emotion that you like to feel often? I love feeling peaceful and relaxed, like when I read a good book. What do you do when you feel stressed? I go for a walk and listen to calming music to relax. Lesson 12. Transportation. How do you go to school? I walk to school because it's close to my house. Have you ever taken a train? Yes, last summer. My family and I took a train to visit my grandparents. What is your favorite way to travel? I love traveling by airplane because it's fast and exciting. Do you ride a bicycle? Yes, I ride my bicycle in the park on weekends. What do you like about traveling by bus? I like looking out of the window and seeing different places. How do people travel in big cities? Many people use the subway because it's fast and avoids traffic. Have you ever been on a boat? Yes, I went on a boat ride last year. It was so much fun. Which is faster, a car or a train? A train is usually faster, especially for long distances. Why do people prefer airplanes for long trips? Airplanes are the fastest way to travel long distances. What is the slowest way to travel? Walking is the slowest, but it's also healthy and free. Lesson 13. Sports. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball. I love shooting hoops. Do you play any sports at school? Yes, I play football with my classmates during lunch break. Have you ever watched a live sports match? Yes, I watched a cricket match in the stadium and it was amazing. Who is your favorite athlete? My favorite athlete is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is so talented. Do you like team sports or individual sports? I like team sports because they help you work together. Have you ever won a sports competition? Yes, my team won a basketball tournament last year. Why is exercise important? Exercise keeps us strong, healthy, and full of energy. Do you like swimming? Yes, swimming is my favorite summer activity. Have you ever tried an extreme sport? No, but I would love to try skydiving one day. What sport do you want to learn? I want to learn how to play tennis. It looks fun. Lesson 14. Color. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the ocean. What color is your school uniform? My school uniform is white and navy blue. What color is the sky? The sky is usually blue, but it turns orange during sunset. What color do you wear the most? I wear black the most because it matches everything. What color makes you feel happy? Yellow makes me feel happy because it's bright and cheerful. What color is a banana? A banana is yellow when it is ripe. Do you like colorful clothes? Yes, I love wearing bright and colorful clothes. What color is your bedroom wall? My bedroom wall is light green. It's very relaxing. What color do you associate with love? Red is the color of love and passion. What color do you see most in nature? Green is everywhere in nature because of trees and plants. Lesson 15. Holidays. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love the decorations and gifts. How do you celebrate your birthday? I celebrate with my family and friends, and we eat cake. Do you have any special holiday traditions? Yes, on New Year's Eve, we always watch fireworks together. What do you like about festivals? I love the music, food, and dancing at festivals. What is a famous holiday in your country? In my country, Diwali is a big festival with lights and fireworks. What do you do on a holiday from school? I relax, watch movies, and spend time with my family. Have you ever traveled during a holiday? Yes, last summer we traveled to the mountains for vacation. What is your least favorite holiday? I don't really like April Fool's Day because people play tricks on me. Do you decorate your home for holidays? Yes, we put up lights and decorations for Christmas and New Year. What's the best holiday food? I love eating special sweets during festivals like cakes and chocolates. What is a holiday you want to experience? I want to see how people celebrate Halloween in the USA. Lesson 16. Weather 2. What's the weather like today? Today, the weather is sunny and warm. It's a perfect day to go outside and play. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow, the weather is supposed to be rainy. I might have to stay inside and do some indoor activities, like read a book or play a game. Do you like rainy days? Sometimes. I like the sound of rain, but I don't like getting wet. How is the weather in winter? Winter is usually cold and sometimes snowy. People wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolate. What do you wear on a hot day? I wear a t-shirt, shorts, and sunglasses to stay cool. What do you wear when it's cold? I wear a jacket, gloves, and a scarf to stay warm. Have you ever seen snow? Yes, it looks beautiful, and I love making snowmen and snow angels. Do you like windy weather? Not really. It makes my hair messy, but flying kites is fun in the wind. What do people do during a thunderstorm? People usually stay inside because it can be dangerous. Some people find thunder exciting, while others are scared of it. Have you ever experienced extreme weather? Yes. Once there was a big storm and we had to stay inside for safety. Lesson 17. Food 2. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I love the combination of melted cheese and delicious toppings like pepperoni, olives, and mushrooms. What about your friend? My friend's favorite food is sushi. She loves the combination of rice, seaweed, and different types of seafood. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy curry and chili. It makes food more exciting. What's a common dish in your country? In my country, rice and curry are very common. Many people eat it every day. Do you like desserts? Yes, I love ice cream, cake, and chocolate. They are sweet and delicious. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit with some tea or coffee. Do you prefer eating at home or in a restaurant? I prefer eating at home because homemade food is healthier and tastes fresh. Can you cook? Yes, I love cooking pasta and baking cookies. What's the most unusual food you have ever tried? I once tried octopus. It was chewy but very tasty. What's a food you don't like? I don't like bitter melon because it tastes too bitter.